Meditation for Beginners, a simple guide to finding peace and harmony in your life. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of meditation. If you're new to meditation or curious about its benefits, this video is perfect for you. We'll explore what meditation is, its benefits, and a simple guide to getting started. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice where you focus your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. It's been around for thousands of years and is a key component of many spiritual traditions, but you don't need to be spiritual to meditate. It's about finding a moment of stillness in our often chaotic lives. Benefits of meditation. Meditation has numerous benefits. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Regular practice can improve your focus, emotional health, and even physical well-being by lowering blood pressure and improving sleep. Essentially, it's a powerful tool for enhancing your overall quality of life. How to start meditating. Find a quiet space. Choose a place where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be completely silent, but a quiet environment helps you focus. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or even lie down, but sitting upright is often recommended to stay alert. Set a timer. Start with just 5 minutes a day. You can gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then, let your breathing return to normal. Focus your attention on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest. Acknowledge thoughts. It's natural for your mind to wander. When thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Use a guide. Beginners might find guided meditations helpful. There are many apps and online videos available that provide structured meditation sessions. Be consistent. Like any skill, meditation requires practice. Try to meditate at the same time every day to build a habit. Tips for success. Be patient. It's normal to feel restless or distracted at first. Over time, it will become easier. Create a routine. Establish a regular meditation practice to make it a part of your daily routine. Stay open-minded. There are many different meditation techniques. Experiment with different styles to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle videos.